What up, YouTube? Your boy's back. Two-time Moto TV. It's where you want to be. Today I got a RC car here. RC, it's a Traxxas Rustler brushless. That's how you spell Traxxas right there. This car is supposed to go up to 70 miles per hour. 70 plus if you start doing a lot of gearing and motor work, which I'm gonna do some re-gearing today in this video. Bought all these parts from Anderson RC in Lexington, North Carolina. And them boys down there got everything. Everything you need for RCs, planes, boats, gas, drones, everything. So a couple of these parts here are like steering links. I broke a steering link a long time ago. This car is about 4 years old. I broke this steering link here, just never replaced it. Never messed around with it again, but I said, you know what? 'Tis the season that I want to get out there and do some RC car video footage and jumps and probably some GoPro footage on the RC car itself. So y'all stay tuned. I'm about to put this bad boy together. Got a little update for the Crown Victoria. Today is Saturday. The lift is supposed to be here by Wednesday. So this following week coming up, I'll be getting that 5-inch lift kit put on the Crown Vic. Like I told you guys in the current videos before, I got a 3-inch on there. And today I feel a lot better because if you see what I see, it ain't been like this for the past couple months, man. It feel like it's been a long time. Check out what this guy right here. Beautiful day, beautiful day. It's supposed to be the high of like 65, 66 degrees. So today I'm gonna bring my RC car out here. It's supposed to go about 70 plus. I'm gonna strap my GoPro to it, so y'all stay tuned to see what that look like. I'm curious to know what that's gonna turn out to be like, strapping a GoPro to a RC car and ripping and running down the streets, you feel me? So stay tuned. Alright, got the RC car out here on the street. Yo, this feel like some Home Alone stuff I got going on right here. What was that, Home Alone 3? Where you had the little RC car with the camera on it and stuff. Yeah, today I'm gonna probably just stay on this street here. Like I said, I ain't driven this thing in a while. I gotta get back used to it, but we about to see what the GoPro footage look like. And then there would definitely be more to come. If it goes anywhere, I got video right here on my phone of what it's looking at right now.
One. And this is the second time it tipped over here.
Yes, sir, it is.
Look at this gorgeous piece of work. What was that, about $200?
About 1,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that I am keeping it. So you need someone else to race with you.
Hey, I do.
Well, buy me another one.
I will.
All right.